all the way to the left. That's how you whip it. But no, stop. You got it. You slightly go to the right, so you go like this slightly, then you flip it all the way to the left.
Ella, if you do that,
You don't turn it all the way to the right.
Don't do it over here. You gotta crash over
straight,
here. Look, somewhere.
Slide to the right and all the way to the left. What about your counter steer? That is alright. That's not my fault, but it didn't happen.
Yes, sir. Like that. Yes, sir. Bro, hopefully she don't fucking crash, bro.
She crashes.
But she drunk? God, what the fuck?
Whip it as hard as you can.